How to see Discord password. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if we can directly see our Discord password inside Discord or not. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So first of all, let's open up a browser and go to discord.com and open it up. And what we can do instead is, for security reason, it's usually hidden and not stored in a readable way. So what we need to do is we need to reset our password. So go over to the login page of Discord. For now, let's me just close it and we can head over to Discord login page, which should be available like this. Click on it, head over to the login page, click on login option in the top right corner, and basically look out for the option called forgot your password, which is this one right here. After that, we need to enter our email and phone number. First of all, enter your email or your phone number that you have and click on this option called forgot your password. And you can just go over and tap on the link that is available on your email, and you can follow the reset link or code. That is one of the method you can use in order to reset your password and find what your password is. Apart from that, we can check up our saved password in our browser. So what we can do is we can open up a browser, and once we open up the browser, we can look out for the settings option, click on the three dot and click on the settings option. And here we can find an option called autofill or something like that. Autofill passwords. Look out for Google Password Manager and search for Discord here. So once you find Discord, go ahead and click on it. And here you'll be finding your password. Click on the eye icon right here in order to view it, and that will be available, and you should be able to view your password. And Discord does not show your current password anywhere if you don't have it saved. Resetting is the only option for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.